Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Redfin app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, you click here on my Redfin app here, just click on it. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click on settings, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click on group settings, just click on it. Then you click here on add. So then here invite someone to see your favorites on Redfine. You add here email, then you click on send invite, then it's going to send with you. So that's all you have to do. I wish you are great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.